Hi beauties, it's your girl Nique and I'm back with another video, you guys. And today I got a couple things that I want to do today, but the first thing I'm going to do is go get Kaiser. I had him the day before. I know y'all, I am late on my Vlogmas, and I know y'all, people was like, when I announced that I was doing Vlogmas, somebody commented under my stuff and was like, y'all know Nique really not gonna do Vlogmas. She just saying that. I give her a few days and then she gonna start mashing it up. But we just gonna keep it pushing and we just gonna try to ignore that y'all just read me and y'all just know me so well. But I'm gonna try to, when I say I'm gonna do like post a video every day, whether it's Vlogtober, Vlogmas, it's just generally to post way more videos than I usually do on a regular month. I be trying to do every day, but y'all, I literally, it's either that I get too wrapped up and I'm too busy that day, or like I just get in my little modes, and I just shut down and I just have nothing to record, or I just like don't want to record. So yeah, but today I'm about to go get Kaiser. I wasn't gonna put up the Christmas tree. I wasn't gonna put up, is my lips dry? My voice is a little bit gone, but I wasn't gonna put up the Christmas tree this year, but I haven't been putting up the Christmas tree from the last, probably since, y'all know, like since the last Christmas. When was that Christmas? Probably like 2 years ago. So I really did want to decorate for Kaiser, like fill his stocking, do the whole 9 yards. We usually celebrate Christmas at my mom's house, and that's why these last few years I just been like, you know, it's really no point in putting the Christmas tree up. But I know that Kaiser enjoys like coming home and seeing the decorations, because for Thanksgiving he was like, I guess he's so used to like seeing decorations at his dad's house. He's like, where's the decorations? Like, are you not gonna decorate for Halloween? He was like, where's the decorations? He was coming home asking me, where's the decorations? And I'm really just doing it for him. I'm really not in the, yeah, and it's crazy because I've always, my whole entire life, been in the Christmas spirit. I just don't know why I feel like I'm not really in the Christmas spirit this year. I don't know, hopefully things change, but yes, you guys. So we're just gonna go. I got so many packages to do and it just feels like so much stuff to do. So yeah, this is the fit of the day. I got these little sweatpants on and I got some Nikes on. Now I'm looking for a bag to wear today. I haven't worn my Prada bag in so long and I miss my Prada bag. So I think I'm gonna put my Prada bag on. I really need a better setup for my bag. For real. Because this is just, I'm gonna wear this bag. I haven't worn this bag in so long. So yeah, this is the one I'm wearing. I'm gonna put my stuff in it. Is it all the way down? I'm gonna put my stuff in this bag and I'm gonna wear this by yourself. Bitch, you living life. Snake. Snake. Oh, okay. Yeah, I am, fun fact about me if y'all didn't know, I'm literally obsessed with like men's cologne. Like men's cologne. Men's cologne. Men's cologne. Is this men's cologne? I think it is. Men's cologne. I'm just kind of obsessed with it. I'm not sure if this is men's cologne, but I feel like it is. This is very harsh, even though it's like women's, I think. Very harsh. I just like real strong smells. Some of the women's perfumes I have is this one. I forgot all about this. Maybe I should put some of this on too. See? Soften me up. This smells good. This is like the Women's Creed. I got 3 Miss Dior's. Let me see. I have a tiny one. This one must be all out. This is all out. I don't know why it's even over here. I have a lot of scents. What else do I have? Girl, this must be hanging on by its last string. Put that on too. I was at my friend's house yesterday, and she picked up. That one don't smell too good. I have this one too. She picked up when she was getting ready, she put 3 perfumes. So I'm like, girl, you mix your perfumes. This is my everyday perfume that every time I wear it, everybody always be like, you smell so good. It's like my all-time favorite stuff. Just know, Nique, put y'all on. This is the shit. Like, every time I hug somebody or see somebody, they be like, girl, you smell so good. And that's because I be wearing that, and it just chef's kiss. Yeah, I'm supposed to be planning my freaking I'm supposed to be planning my birthday shoot, and I'm supposed to have 3 looks, 3 different wigs, like, and I can already feel myself stressing myself out about it. I'm really not ready for my birthday. Like, it's like I'm ready, I'm excited on some days, and then some days I'm like, damn, this is just too much. Girl, I thought I lost these. Maybe I didn't think I lost these. And then I just be like, dang, this is just really too much stuff you gotta plan on your own. Like, I be having to plan everything by myself. And that's what I be trying to, like, avoid. It's just too stressful having to, like, plan your birthday and make sure you have a good time. Like, I have to set stuff up for myself for my birthday, and I'm just like responsible for making sure that I have a good time for my birthday. You know what I mean? Yeah, if you know, you know. I just feel like that's just so overwhelming. But I feel like that's just so overwhelming. Anyways, my photo shoot is gonna be, it was supposed to be on December 12th, but it's gonna be on January 2nd now, because December 12th is coming so fast, y'all. I literally didn't know that I don't have any time to do anything. So I'm trying to see, do I want to get my hair done? I'm all over the place. I'm trying to see, do I want to get my hair done before a Broadway concert or not? If y'all want me to do a get ready with me for that, comment down below. Let's see. I gotta go pick up the car. I gotta go pick up the car from the Ben's place. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna meet Kaiser. Let me see how far it is though. But anyways, you guys, I'm about to leave the house, and yeah, let's do this thing. Let's do this thing. Okay, you guys, so I got the car, and I'm about to go to this alteration place. I was gonna pick up Kaiser before, but I'm gonna pick him up afterwards because my brother's supposed to be coming this way to help me with getting the Christmas tree out the storage, and I can't do it by myself. But look how much stuff I have to get altered. Like, all this stuff right here, all these pants I have to get altered, and this is like 4 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 5. Wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of Marys that I gotta get altered to fit my body. So yeah, that's what I'm about to go do at the alteration place. BRB. Okay, you guys, so that was just the longest process ever. Like I literally had to try on 9 pair of pants and get 9 pair of pants altered. Oh my goodness, that was crazy. But I was gonna go pick up Kaiser, but my brother, he's coming to help me get the Christmas tree and the Christmas decorations out of the storage, and he actually stays in Katy, so he's gonna grab Kaiser for me, which makes sense because I was waiting on him to get to the house because I'm like, I want to get the stuff out of the storage before, but couldn't find out he didn't even leave yet. So it works out, everything works out perfectly because he gonna grab Kaiser. I'm about to start on my orders, but I haven't ate this morning. I really just haven't had an appetite. Like y'all, I've just been in such a weird space mentally. I just can't even describe like the feelings I've been having. Honestly, I've just been in such a weird space. Like I cannot wait until I can get out of the space I've been in. I honestly just can't describe it. You know how you just like, you don't know if you're happy, you don't know, you're not really sad, but like you're just stuck in the middle and you feel like you're just living, like you just going day by day, day by day. I don't know how to explain it, but that's just like lately how I just been feeling. I just feel like I just been living, but I'm not really living. You know what I mean? I just been in such a weird space, like, and I just haven't been hungry or like eating, like talking about it. Like, you know, I could eat, but I just haven't been like super duper hungry, if that makes sense. Because right now it's like 3 o'clock and it's my first time. I'm not even hungry, honestly. I just want like, I got a taste for like coffee, and I probably get a ham and cheese croissant. But oh, I'm so happy that that's over though. Like I got everything that I needed altered. Hopefully it comes in soon. I should have told him I need it for, oh girl, it's in 2 days. But I'm so excited to put up the Christmas tree. I really want to go to the grocery store and kind of just like get stuff to make it like super special. But I don't know. I want like a, I want an iced coffee.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. I'll be right with you.
Okay. I want a bacon sausage and egg brown. I got a ham and cheese croissant. If I pull up, she gonna go back. It's a chicken salad. Brr, ba, ba, ba. Brr, ba. Walk in, bitch, gonna set us movie. Bougie. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna just order the coffee at the freaking
Sorry about that. Wait, can I get started for you?
Hi, can I have like a large iced coffee with white chocolate?
Large iced coffee with white chocolate. Do you still want the classic syrup?
Yes. Can I also add caramel with whipped cream?
Caramel whipped cream?
Yes.
We don't have caramel whipped cream. We just have regular caramel.
No, can I also
also
add caramel drizzle with whipped cream?
Caramel. Okay, gotcha. Anything else for
Do
you?
you guys have the bacon, sausage, and egg wrap?
No, we do not. I'm sorry.
You guys have ham and cheese croissants?
Yes, we do.
Can I have one of those, please?
Okay, anything else?
That'll be it.
11:15. Thank you.
Thank you. I actually have some jeans that I ordered from where was it? American Eagle? No, Aeropostale. I had ordered like these jeans. Yeah, I ordered like 6 pairs of jeans from Aeropostale in a size 44. They're just like, I think like the biggest, like 44. I don't know if that's the biggest size on there. I don't know why I thought that like both of my legs can fit in like literally one of the pants legs. So if any of my beautiful plus size women need some jeans, I'm gonna show them to y'all when I get home. Let me know. I will mail them to y'all free of charge. Like I literally spent $400 on freaking jeans. and they don't fit at all. Like, I'm gonna try them on when I get home. But I think the girl, she works here. I'm not sure if she's that size. But I've been wanting to see her so that I can ask her what size she wears so I can give them to her. Because she's so nice. Every time I'm here, she's just like the sweetest girl ever. Like, she always just is so nice to me and Kaiser. So I wanted to give them to her. But, I don't know. I haven't seen her. Or maybe I just haven't been to Starbucks. But I haven't seen her since I got the jeans. So, yeah. I want to do some type of Christmas giveaway. But, yeah. Anyways, hold on, guys. The air is so loud. Okay. Got my coffee. Y'all, did I tell y'all I wrecked my car into my garage? Like, I was backing up and I was on the phone with my sister. And I guess I thought my garage had came up already. And it didn't. And I like literally ripped the whole back piece of my car off. Like, I'm gonna show y'all. Alright. I fucked up my garage too, but I was able to kick it back in. Like, I was able to kick the garage back in because it had like a dent in it. I was able to put that back in. But my car is messed up. And it's $4,200 to fix. So I ordered the part. I sent them $3,400. I ordered the part. And now I just have to wait till the part come in because they say it would take like 2 to 3 weeks for the part to come in. But I think it's been like 3 weeks. I think it's been 2 weeks. So I just gotta drive around with a fucked up back, which is crazy. But I don't give a goddamn fuck. Oh wow, that's crazy. I don't give a goddamn fuck. This actually good. And another thing, y'all, I've been eating like a bird. Like, I will order something. I would order like a meal and like an appetizer or something off DoorDash or something like that, and I would only eat like one of the appetizers. Like, I would think that I'm so hungry, and then I would just eat very little. Like, I would only eat like a little bit. Like last night I ordered wings. I ordered 10 wings from what's that place called? Prospect. I ordered 10 wings. I ordered 3 of the little tacos, and I ordered some egg rolls. And I only ate 1 taco, like 2 wings. I guess that's enough food. One taco, 2 wings, and like 1 egg roll. Which that sounds like a whole meal now I'm thinking about it. Maybe I just ordered too much shit. Don't be eating, y'all. Oh, girl, it's a cat coming out my backyard. But I don't know. Hopefully that make me lose weight. But miss you guys. What's that? This gonna make my stomach hurt. It's getting hot in here. Alright, this is what my car looks like. Oh my gosh. And the piece was on, but I ended up driving to Baton Rouge. And when my mama was bringing me to the airport to go to Greece, my shit flew off on the interstate. This is what it looked like. Just gone. Just the whole piece. Just gone. That's so sad. But let me show y'all this cute little, these cute little things I ordered for my birthday. I really don't even have a birthday outfit. And now is the time. But to order something, I just don't know what I want to look like. Like a two-term real gym. Oh. And we don't want nobody. I think I kind of got an idea. I know what it is. The feeling how light it is. I think I should. This should be what I've been looking for this whole time. Let's see. I'm so tired of spending money. So tired of spending money. Like now my birthday coming up, now I gotta buy myself an outfit. Get my photo, do me a photo shoot, cause I want to. I'm tired of spending money, but at the same time, bitch, gotta look good. Don't focus on me, baby. Focus on the box. Oh. Look how beautiful this is. It's real cute. And you put it on like this. Yeah. That's real cute. Oh, that's cute. That's real cute. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Yeah. And I got the matching earrings. That's what I'm guessing is in the next box. And then I have a box under that, which now I really don't know what that is. Yeah, this is definitely the earrings. I ordered it separately because I didn't know. I went back and got the earrings. Ooh. Like a two-tone merchant. Here we go. Here we go again. Come on, little box. That ass. He went to Jared's. Oh. How these earrings, they definitely should have came in like a box where you poke the earring thing, but I ain't mad at it. Surprisingly, I've never been like a really crazy jewelry person, but I've been getting to jewelry a lot lately. I'm gonna have my face so y'all can see. So y'all can see the earrings. So cute, right? They had some ones with like pearls in it, but I feel like I wasn't gonna wear the pearls a lot. I feel like I'll get way more wearing out of these. So cute. So cute. So cute. Or whatever. Aesthetically pleasing or whatever. Alright, let's see what this box is. We gonna open it together. If it's some tea, then I ain't gonna show y'all. But we gonna open it. Ooh! Ooh. Oh, I know what this is. I be ordering shit so separate. Why didn't give me this big old box just to have it in here? Make me think I had something. This is a little body chain. It's really just a body chain that I bought from True Religion. like a gold body chain. Like a two-tone little chain. Ah, my baby is back!
Hello.
I missed him. Did you miss me?
Yeah, hello, it's me, Kaiser.
Yeah, he's not in the car seat right now because we literally going right to the end of the street to get the Christmas tree because that's where my storage is. So I thought you was eating them hard ass candies Kaiser eating. That's so hard. But we're about to get the Christmas tree. Are you so excited, Anthony? Ah, head ass. But we're about to do that. Okay, guys. I know it's just hot in here. Whew. All right, TTYL. Yeah, we in the storage and I got a whole box of wigs. So much hair. I think this is my mama was looking for because I told her she could give all these wigs away.
Who?
So.
Who?
Who?
How?
Christmas tree is way right there.
Who?
Yeah, I really didn't know how much stuff we had from like the old house. I'm excited. We're about to put the Christmas tree up. Haha. My house is so cute though. Hold on. All right, y'all. I'm gonna sit y'all down, but I don't want to get copyright, so gotta go.
All about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
You guys, we had the parts all wrong. We noticed that that part was, we just had a lot of trouble putting this tree together because it didn't have labels on which sides. Plus, mind you guys, this is a tree that's 13 feet long. It was, so we just didn't put the, we didn't put two of the bottom pieces on to make it like shorter. So it's just much shorter than what it's supposed to be. But look how beautiful. I'm so excited to decorate, you guys. Yes, let's get into it. It was a little crooked, mind y'all. The bottom piece, the actual bottom piece, we didn't put it on, and that's why it's kind of lopsided because it's kind of, the tree is kind of loose. You guys, I literally forgot that all the decorations we had was like white and silver. Look how cute this is. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'll probably put it like, oh girl. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but look at the Christmas tree. The very top one, the lights don't work, but I don't even think you could tell. But it's still cute. But we had, the tree was way too tall. Guys are just chilling, child. The tree was way too tall, so we just didn't put the bottom two layers on the tree. So it just ended up being fine and working out perfectly. But this is just too cute. I don't know where I'm gonna put that, but gotta put it somewhere. Maybe we can put it like right here. Okay, decoration time. And then we even got these little mini cone trees. And I think these light up too, if I'm not mistaken. And we can like put them inside of the tree. Ah! Okay, BRB. Okay, you guys, so we finally finished the tree and it looks so beautiful. Very much in the Christmas spirit now. Got the fireplace looking thing going. I didn't know how much cute, beautiful, like ornaments we had bought so long ago, but I ended up putting the Santa Claus on the topper. Shout out to my brother, he helped with everything. Woo! I would literally have died if he didn't come and help, but it looks so nice. I'm so happy with the results. This kind of ugly. I might change that up. I'm not sure. So can you please turn that down? We went and put the nightstand over here. That's with the blanket and stuff. Look how it looks in no light. So beautiful. So homey. Anyways, you guys, thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. I'm getting in the Vlogmas spirit. Oh, what we don't have is stockings. So tomorrow I might go to Target, or I might order some stockings off of Amazon, and like maybe put them right here or like under the TV. I think we're gonna put the stockings under the TV, and we can just keep this playing like every day. And I'm not watching it, and it just be so beautiful. But thank y'all so much for tuning in to this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Kaiser didn't help not one bit, but he told us where the presents at. Anyways, yay! Peace out, you guys.